Hello everyone, in this video you will learn recover missing Google Play Store on your Samsung phone. Let's jump right in. First of all, swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here you can swipe right or left or use the search bar. Simply try to find the Play Store app there. If you found them, that's great. However, if you don't find it, don't panic. Here are the fixes. To do it, simply swipe the bottom to open the home page again. Go to settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down a little, tap on home screen. After that, scroll again, and this time you can find the hide apps on home and app screen option. Click to open them. You can find the Google Play Store app in the hidden section there. Simply uncheck the option and tap on the done option and automatically recover it. However, if you don't find the Google Play Store app in the hidden section, don't worry. You can follow next method. This time, first back to the main settings. After that, scroll all the way to the very bottom, then open apps. Once you are in the apps menu, you can scroll down to the page or simply use the search bar at the very top. Here simply type Play Store. After you type it, you can see the pop-up result. Look for the Google Play Store app appear, tap on their name to open it. Right now this Google Play Store app is disabled. To enable it, simply look at the bottom menu bar, choose the enable button and automatically recover the Google Play Store. To check if this process work for you or not, simply back to your home page, open the app door, swipe right to left or left to right. Here you can find the Play Store app appear. That's it. You can easily recover missing Google Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you use it, simply tap on it and easily use them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friend.